We can't wait to see you for your tour of San Francisco, and we know you're going to have an amazing time. First, always wear weather-appropriate clothing. This is San Francisco. It can get windy and cold, especially near the water, so remember to bring layers. Also, wear comfortable shoes and stay hydrated. Remember, this is a walking tour. Please arrive no less than 15 minutes before the meeting time stated on your reservation. Tours leave on time. The meeting point is across the street from the Buena Vista Cafe at 700 Beach Street on the northwest corner of Beach and Hyde. It's easily accessible by car from any ride-sharing app or by public transit off the Hyde Street exit on the 49 Muni bus line or the end of the Beach Hyde Cable Car line. Our guides are clearly identified with our logo. Your tour will conclude at Union Square, a whopping 10,000 steps later. If you opted to take the cable car ride at the end of the tour, it will return you to the meeting point back in Fisherman's Wharf. During the tour, we will explore many neighborhoods such as Fisherman's Wharf, North Beach, Chinatown, the Financial District, and the Embarcadero, as well as Union Square. There will be a 60-minute lunch break in the middle so you can refuel and relax for a bit. Several food options are available for lunch on your own. Enjoy your day, and thanks for choosing to spend some of your time here in San Francisco with us at Experience First.